Hi guys, today I'm going to share a very easy way to create objects randomly that I discovered on GameMaker Studio. You can see that I have 6 objects here. These are obj1, obj2, obj3, obj4, obj5 and obj player. First I am going to show you this room will run on the code. The obj player is on here. First let's create a code for this on the step event. Open it and on right there instance create random range (0 to 100) and 0. On here for the object we will use random range obj1 and obj5 and end of the extension. Now I'll show you if this code runs. Here I am running the code. It's coming. Oh, it's taking too much time. I'll pause this video. Here you can see objects are randomly creating on this side on here. But focus on one thing, that it's coming. Obj 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be created, but the obj 5 will not created. Watch here, obj 5 is not creating. It's because I think I can explain. Wait for a second. The obj 5 is not creating because the last random ranges code obj 5 is set at, and there would be the object after our aiming object. I mean the object you will set there will be created from aimed object to the one step up of the object that's set at last. I'm showing you what I mean. Just follow me. Right on the code instance create random range obj1 to obj player random range 10 to 100. Actually the code is like this. Random range works for instance create like this. Random range, the name of the object from the objects will start to create randomly to the name of the object that is on the one step down from my object that I want to put on the last of randomly creation of my objects. Now just run the code and you will see it is now creating obj 5 also. Pause the video, the screen, and you can and try to understand the final code now. You can subscribe me for more videos about game engines like Godot, GameMaker Studio, computer tips. Those are interesting. If this video was interesting, like it and share this video to others. Love to you guys. Hope this video is helpful. To support me, you can subscribe me. I always try to upload a new video in every week, but this time of coronavirus, the routine changed for some days. Thanks for a view. Bye.